Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Hobby Lobby has Christmas at 50% off, so I'm showing you the best deals of the season. Let's go shopping. Now that summer's officially over, Hobby Lobby's stepping up their game. They're putting out more Christmas. It's 50% off, and I want to show you guys a few things that I think are great deals. This one in the front is a $22.99 ornament in Sherpa in cream. Very high-end looking, probably a dupe for something you'd find at places like Pottery Barn. There are all kinds of really cool new items. I want to show you guys, they also have these ornaments that are oversized in sort of a velvet, and they are $19.99. Everything's 50% off, so these would be $10. I did find it in a bright white, in a beautiful emerald green, and over here in a really rich red. All right, now next up, Santa Claus. They have so many collections, and something that this store is doing is coupling all of the similar items from different collections together so you can kind of pick and choose. They have a Santa to go with any color scheme you could want, from gold, silver, rustic, purple, pink, you name it, there's a Santa to match. So keep your eyes open for those. They are priced this year, I believe, at $27, and of course at 50% off. You cannot beat that. Now it's time for the trees, you guys. They have more high-end looking, small, flocked and lit trees. Things that are even dupes for things that we would find in Threshold, in Studio McGee, and in Hearth and Hand for a fraction of the price. Now, these first up, they're sort of a frosted. They're priced at $45, half price, that's like $23. This one is gorgeous for $30 at half price. Then they have these, and these are so much nicer than the ones in the dollar spot for the last few years. And they are priced at $4.99, which makes them $2.50. Are you kidding me? Then they have these. I think this is an absolute Hearth and Hand dupe. It is priced at $15. Half price, $7.50, another great buy. Now they do have these, I want to mention, in a few different sizes. So down here is the smaller one. They have much taller ones way up on top, but I can't reach them because they've got all these pillows in the way. So beware when you go, and you may need to ask for assistance because some of these prices are just unbelievable, and you're not going to want to pay double the price at other stores. Now I do want to mention they have plenty of options over here, and they're stacked very nicely. They even have some in rattan, and we're going to see the full-size trees. I'm going to show you guys what is going on in the full-size trees and the prices to go with them. But I want to mention, back by the bathroom area of my Hobby Lobby, they have more of these trees, and they're a little bit easier to access, but I'm telling you guys, these prices, they will not last long. Now we're going to head down a few aisles. There's a few things I want to point out to you guys. Their garlands, amazing this year, the best I've seen at the best prices. They also have some really great deals on some larger ticketed items that you may want to pick up now before the ones left on the shelves have been bumped and bruised, and they're still at 50% off. So let's take a look at some of the things that they're putting out in this very rustic neutral collection.
You might think the weather's kinda cold, but you know you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play, what a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist, and those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along out and play, what a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here, let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair
Now we're switching gears to a more traditional palette. There's a few things over here they're putting out that I just adore. I think these are great prices. These are going to fly off the shelves. Now, orange slices have been on trend the last year or two for Thanksgiving, fall, and Christmas. They have this pack of faux sliced oranges, half price. That's going to be $7.50, and you get 6 of the ornaments. They have cinnamon sticks and faux cranberries. And speaking of faux cranberries, you guys, for $15 and then half price $7.50, they have the popcorn garlands done for you. And over here, an even better price, $4 for the popcorn and cranberries. And no mess, no work. It's already done, and it's a great price. And speaking of great prices, we're gonna walk down the gold aisle next. I have to point out that they have some gorgeous lanterns. Huge fan of the lanterns with no glass. Now, I know not all that glitters is gold, but I'm telling you, this year they're going to kill it. And we'll be back to see more, but they have some velvet covered ornaments. Those are going to be right around $5.50 for 4 of them. You can't beat it. But in the gold collection, they have some mercury glass light up Christmas trees that are gorgeous and to die for, and you cannot beat the prices on these at 50% off. You're going to look at prices for right around $12 all the way down to $9. And the reindeer this year are gorgeous. Something that this store is doing is they're grouping most of their items together in their color scheme, but then they're also grouping them together with like items. So there is an entire wall of reindeer. We'll have to come back and see that next time. They have them in both sitting and standing. And I have to mention this, they're doing bells for each collection. Oversized bells, they're from $7.99 to $9.99 and at 50% off. Now's the time to grab them. They also have these in bronze for $4.99, so that'd be $2.50 a piece, and I think they're stunning. Now let's look at more of their rustic woodland collection. And are you seeing the prices on some of these tree toppers? That would be $7.
Your white smile is brighten up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree.
Now here's a little handy tip for you. I saw a gal doing this and I thought she was genius. She had gotten some ornaments and then she matched it up to the tree she has at home to see how it would look. So you can always do that at Hobby Lobby, grab the ornaments and find the tree that is closest to yours at home and match them up. Now, speaking of trees, if you're in the market for a new one at 50% off, I do have a feeling that these tree prices at Hobby Lobby are going to beat that of Walmart. We'll see once they start hitting the shelves, but they do have a lot to choose from. They have flocked, they have mostly pre-lit trees, and I was finding the majority of their trees 7.5 feet tall. And I will say that I love what they're doing with the greenery. They're doing a varied greenery, so you get a more realistic look. So let me show you guys what they're putting out.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Now you can't walk down the tree aisle without taking a look at the glass ornament aisle. You guys, this year the Robert Stanley ornaments are absolutely stunning. So many of them are just stunning, very high-end looking. These in the gold are just precious. You could put pictures, mementos in them. And these that are the hurricane style glass, lots of amber tones, some rose gold and some gold. And if you're a blue lover and you have not had a chance to check out their ornaments, they are gorgeous. They are truly stunning. They have also some high-end Mackenzie Child dupes, and these will not last long, especially at 50% off. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the highest of the high-end, including these red that look like they are damask. Oh, I love the candles in these. And then down here to go with their blue collection, they have a stunning Santa. So be sure to check those out if you're in the market for some new ornaments. They definitely have one for everyone. But next up, I want to show you guys a few things that I spotted when I first arrived down the main aisle of my store. These are things that I have not yet seen in my other Hobby Lobbies. This one, for instance, that is a turnable countdown advent little wooden house. It is priced at $70, so it'd be $35. Lights up, and I'm sure that you could DIY and paint that if you wanted to. These are gorgeous red hurricanes. They come in a few different sizes. And then over here, I thought these were really cute. So they have these little faux light bulbs. They're glitter. They're really whimsical, and they're only $3 at 50% off. I could see those used outdoors or even in a fun whimsical tree. They also also have the candy canes. Those would be $6.50, and an oversized sled up here. That one would be $11 at 50% off. They also have some really fun light up items. This little Christmas tree in a bulb. They also have a little city with Santa and a tree on top. These are some of them, majority of them, musical. They have these in the lantern style. They've had those for years, but they have some light up gnomes, a boy and a girl, and Santas and houses and snowmen. Oh my. Listen, I know it's 100 degrees outside for most of us, but if you're crazy like me and already planning how you decorate, comment down below and let me know how you are decorating, what's your style, and what do you want to see next. Thank you all so much for coming with me, and I'll see you back very soon.